ever wondered what makes you unique? What differentiates you from everyone around you? You might say it's your genes, which is certainly correct, but that's not the whole picture. So today, to answer that question, we're talking about epigenetics. Epigenetics is the study of gene expression, or what turns different genes on and off. Now, unless a mutation occurs, your DNA is the same for your entire life, and that DNA is constant in every somatic cell in your body, regardless of cell specialization. Those genes are transcribed into mRNA, which is then translated into a polypeptide chain, which form proteins. Epigenetic factors control whether and how often a cell makes a certain protein from its corresponding genes. Cell specialization is one example of an epigenetic factor. As I mentioned earlier, every somatic cell in an organism has the same DNA, but not every gene is expressed in every cell. Take the COL1A1 gene. Even though it's present in all your cells, it is only turned on in skin cells to produce type 1 collagen proteins. The cells in your heart or liver don't need to make collagen, so COL1A1 is turned off in those cells. Other factors that influence our epigenome are all throughout our environment. Things like diet, exercise, stress, and so much more can cause the addition of methyl or acetyl tags to DNA, which decrease or increase gene transcription respectively. Now, what I find most fascinating about epigenetics is the way epigenetic tags are inherited. When an egg and sperm cell meet to form an embryo, most existing epigenetic tags are erased through a process called reprogramming. This occurs because both germ cells already have epigenetic tags that could conflict with one another in the new organism. However, the tags on some genes aren't erased during reprogramming. Some of these genes are what are known as imprinted genes. We inherit one of these genes from each of our parents, but one of them is silenced by methylation, so we only have one working copy. Were both copies of an imprinted gene functioning, there could be a variety of genetic disorders stemming from that mistake. Another compelling facet of epigenetic inheritance is that the science is gendered. If a woman is pregnant with a girl, an environmental stimulus can affect 3 generations all at once: the pregnant woman, her daughter growing inside her, and the germ cells inside the fetus's developing ovaries. This is why it's so important for pregnant women to take extra good care of their bodies. They have to be on a nutritious diet. Take the amino acid methionine. It is an essential amino acid, meaning that the human body can't produce it by itself and must consume it from other sources like meat, dairy, or nuts. Methionine is also a source of methyl, one of the key components of the epigenome. Therefore, if a woman isn't eating a methyl-rich diet during pregnancy, there could be lasting effects on her child and future grandchildren. Once again, we look at imprinted genes. If there isn't sufficient methyl, the genes that are supposed to be silenced won't be, causing a variety of possible birth defects. So that's the story. Your genes and these methyl and acetyl tags are what make you, you.